The freshly woven one is still green. Of course the grass blades dry out very quickly and it turns yellow and brown very quickly, but they do have to weave with green strands. They don't only use grasses. In suburbia you find weaver nests stripping palm leaves. Here comes one of the males now with a piece of grass. He's probably going to come to this green one. Yes. Busy building this green one. New green blade of grass. We don't have any of the palms here or anything else that they could pull long strands of green from. But they're quite adept at pulling apart all sorts of leaves to get long thin strands if they don't have the right grasses. Kai's weaving it. And you're telling me that humans invented basket weaving? This little boy was the inventor of it all. Thanks, Molly. Thanks, Apiwe. Molly's saying, yeah, I'm also smelling. Could this be the buffalo dung and the mud? Molly's saying, what's different today is that I'm wearing my dress hat. Indeed. Joanne's hat. Not really a carcass smell. It's not quite a dung smell either. It's rather a strong smell of something. Yeah, he's coming back with another blade of grass. So he secures it inside and then watch, he's going to... Oh, he dropped it. Well, pick it up. So he gave up on that blade of grass. I guess he's gone to get another one. I'm going to wait until he comes back with another blade of grass so you can see how he weaves it. Did you get the other one that he was weaving?
Yeah.
I've sat and watched the weaver weave from the beginning to the end of his nest. It's taken a long time. 3 days. But then I couldn't go anywhere. I had no choice but to sit and watch him. Another chapter in my life. Okay, we're waiting for you, Mr. Weaver. It's funny how there be grass everywhere. Long, tall, thin, green strands. Yet he'll fly 100 meters to find one particular blade of grass that suits him just perfectly. It's like the little blue waxbill, the little male blue waxbill when he's courting his female. And that'll come in a little while when the panicums are starting to get their flower heads. When he'll search for the perfect flower head. There might be thousands around him. And he even might pick a couple before he eventually selects the right one, and then he takes that one and he does a little dance for his lady love and presents her with this, well, I call it a flower head, but it's an inflorescence of the grasses. Very neat to watch. There he is. What do you got now? That's a leaf. That's not... Oh, it's a different weaver. No, it's the same one. Something flew out of the other nest. The one I said that had something in it. I think that's just nest lining that he brought. More than a blade to sew into it. helps with the waterproofing. Go ahead. Janina, reminding me we have a mission to accomplish right now.